It was actually it was really excellent. So many things came out of it, to be honest. Like for example, I was watching movies, and I noticed sentences that I had heard before, which I which I understood differently. Like example, the man telling the girl, "Oh, would you be ready to die for me?" And this girl to say yes out of love. And I was thinking, and I heard this before, I mean, the same scene, in fact.
Yeah.
And before, this is something that I felt like, I mean, I could relate at some level that out of love, you will do so much for the person. And after the workshop, now I heard the same sentence and I'm thinking, what the fuck? Of course, no.